My name is Christopher Koelsch. I'm the president and CEO of LA Opera, and it is a huge, huge pleasure to have you with us here this morning. This is, of course, the opening of our third annual LA County Arts and Health Week Summit in partnership with LA County Supervisor Hilda L. Solis, the LA County Department of Arts and Culture, and Healing Arts, which is an initiative of the Jameel Arts Health Lab, as well as the World Health Organization. I want to begin, as ever, by expressing our immense collective gratitude to Supervisor Solis for her steadfast support and her commitment to the Arts and Health Week, and for sponsoring an LA County Board of Supervisors motion proclaiming this week as Arts and Health Week in the County of Los Angeles. Supervisor Solis was instrumental in creating the Wellness Center at Historic General Hospital, which is dedicated to improving the health and well-being of residents in Boyle Heights and neighboring East Side communities, and has sponsored numerous motions throughout her tenure on the Board of Supervisors to expand the county's efforts to advance arts and health equity. Thank you, Supervisor Solis. I also want to convey my personal appreciation and admiration and thanks to Renée Fleming, the LA Opera Special Projects Advisor and the World Health Organization Goodwill Ambassador for Arts and Health. Renée shares with us not only her extraordinary artistry as the greatest living classical artist of our time, but also her tireless advocacy and thought leadership for arts and health research and knowledge sharing across the nation and the globe. Thank you, Renée. Renée's arts and health advocacy continues to have an enormous impact on elevating the importance of this work, and LA Opera is so grateful for her extraordinary contributions to our company and, of course, to this LA County Arts and Health Week. 6 years ago, Renée shared her passion for this work with me, which I felt really beautifully complemented LA Opera's health programs and its mission to enrich the well-being of our community through music. These initial conversations led to LA Opera's first Arts and Health convening in 2018 in collaboration with Renée's Music and Mind program and the Zilka Neurogenetic Institute at the Keck USC Medical Center, among others. The LA County Arts and Health Week Summit evolved from that event, and with Renée's continued involvement and vision, has grown into the region's most significant arts and health convening. I also owe very special thanks to Kristen Sakota for her phenomenal leadership of the Los Angeles Department of Arts and Culture, and for her indispensable partnership for 3 successive Arts and Health Week summits. As you will hear this morning, under Kristen's stewardship, the department is undertaking deeply impactful cross-sector work at the intersection of arts and health, and we are continually grateful as a region for the contributions of her and her team. We are equally appreciative to the leaders of the LA County Departments of Health Services, Public Health, Mental Health, and Aging and Disability for their and their departments' ongoing engagement and thought leadership as we welcome those leaders and departmental staff in joining us today. I also want to convey my gratitude to Healing Arts, an initiative of the Jameel Arts Health Lab, and the World Health Organization for their ongoing and significant contributions to the summit. I'm very pleased to have the lab's founding co-director, Dr. Nisha Sanjani, here with us this morning. Thank you so much. I also want to thank the underwriters of today's event. My special thanks to the Music Man Foundation, whose executive director, Sarah Lighting, is here with us today. Thank you so much. They play a critical leadership role in, to advance systemic change in music and health. LA Opera is honored to be an inaugural 2022 Meredith Willson Award recipient, which contributes immensely to the critical work of LA Opera Connect's Education and Community Engagement Department including our arts and health programs and today's summit. I also want to extend my thanks to Kaiser Permanente, LA Care Health Plan, and HealthNet for their important support, and we are pleased to have representatives with us today. Thank you all so much. On a personal note, I want to make exceptional thanks for the extraordinary staff of the LA Opera, and particularly the Connects team, for all of the work in pulling this together. And with that, it is really my pleasure to introduce you to LA Opera's Vice President of Connects, Dr. Andrea Fuentes. Andrea?